What's up, YouTube? I'm doing a lot of videos today, but well, while I'm doing a video, I thought of something that I haven't done in a long time. I'm gonna try to plan on doing it more. I'm bringing Chuck back. I want to get Chuck here right now. Alright? I'm gonna sit. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get him on the phone, alright? I'll see you guys later. Hey Chuck, you there? Yeah, I'm here. What do you want? I want you to make a YouTube video again with me, so will you please come back over? Yeah, fine, I'll come over. But it's boring at your house, and it smells, and it's boring, and and it's boring, and it smells, and it's boring, and it smells. Chuck, just get over here. Okay, I'm coming to your house. Gosh, quit being a freaking jerk. Did he just hung up? Okay, guys, quit. My mustache. Okay, guys, I'm back. Chuck's back. What do you want me to do? My mustache is messed up. That's what it's been doing all day. Okay, I think it's good. But, thank you. My mustache is getting on my nerves. So yeah, I'm back. I don't know what's going on. Nothing's new. I still drink Chuck's beer that I invented. Chuck, don't hit yourself with that phone. Come on now. Okay, fine, I'll stop. So, yeah, that's how mad I am. My mustache! I hate this. Maybe I should make another shaving video and shave it off and actually shave. Cause this is irritating me. But yeah, this weekend, I finally put my mom in a home. Ow. Finally put my mom in a home. My mustache. There. Hey, wait. This is the webcam. Wow. What is that button? What's this button? Filters. What is that? Wow! This reminds me of the 1980s, man. And he didn't have color! Oh well, what's this? Oh, I'm fading away! Hey, Ching Chong, I'm Chuck. No, what's going on? Hey, I'm all blurry. What's that button? What's that? Huh? Oh, I'm disappearing, Austin. I'm disappearing. Whoa! What happened to my head? Oh, whoa! My mustache. My hair stuck to the wall. Mama! Woo! It's back. Nobody better have looked at me without the mustache. Oh. Oh. Hi, buddy. Oh, wait. Yeah. What is that button? Oh, cool. Hi. Whoa. A mustache. Wait, what's this? What is this? This is getting me. This is getting me mad. It's annoying. Yeah. No. No. How do you change it? What? I'm a black person. What? Oh, cool. Not cool. Not cool. Oh my god. I'm a puppy. What is... No. 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 What is that? No. No. What's back to my normal face? Oh, there. Where's my mustache? Oh, there it is. No, not that again. No! Oh, there. What is this? Base. Scenes. Wait, I don't want this filter. No. Okay. What is that scene thing? Hey. Whoa. It's lightsabers. Ooh, I'm in space! Chuck rules the planet! What is that? It's New York! I'm in New York! What is that? Have you seen this person? Oh no, the cops got me again! Hi! It's not my birthday! City! Yeah. Oh! Ow! Ow! My hair! My mouth! Oh, that's hurting me. Oh, I don't like this webcam. Oh, let's face paste. No! What's wrong with it? No. No. Oh. What is face paste? What's wrong with me? Hey, what am I, a skateboarder? Yeah, Chuck his skateboard. Hey, look at that move. That sucks. I'm swimming. I'm a football player. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. Hey, I'm Nemo. I hate this movie. Oh, I'm a black person again. I'm another black person. No. Hey, I'm a Super Chuck. Da da da. I hate this. Yeah, no. What is that? I'm a girl. No. What is this? Oh. Oh. Hey, I got a phone. I'm reading my text messages. Hey, look in the background. I'm in New York again. I hate it. Get me out of here. No. No. There. My mustache. Ah. My mustache. I hate the webcam.